We're going up a very steep hill. Very steep hill before the drop. Woo! And Jacob, I'm going up the hill. Abby!
Really? I'm the one that gets stuck looking. Never mind.
Oh, we're going up the hill. Look, Abby.
It's misty.
Wow, it's mystical. It's foggy.
Like this.
Abby, say cheese with Daddy. Say cheeseburger. Say mommy, we love you. I love you, mommy. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Look at the monkey. We got a monkey. Look at it. He's silly.
I am your tour guide. We are about to fall down.
Abby, look at that. What is that? Oh my God, we're going to get wet. Abby.
Sometimes it doesn't.
Abby, we're going to get so wet. It's going to be cold. Abby. Oh, we're going to get wet.
Don't throw it.
Ah, stop. Stop.
I got wet.
Woo! Look at her, Abby.
Oh,
Wow, somebody's been sitting there. That got wet for sure. Whoa, Abby.
What is that? Is that like a
Abby, look, Ripper. Whee! Abby, what is that? What is that, Abby? Whoa! Jake, my life go! Wow! That's rougher water with kayak down, ain't it?
Is that just part of the ride?
Yeah.
I don't remember all this.
You're gonna remember this right here. Oh my God, Abby. Abby, look, look! Woo! Oh!
Y'all got wet! Is that funny?